What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change order of this Shopify product, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So if you want to change or sort order of the products in your Shopify account, there are a couple of steps. So when a collection is displayed in an online store, the products in that collection appear in the sort order that you selected, and they are sorted alphabetically by product title by default. You can select from a new sorting options. So we are having best selling, product title, highest to lowest product price, newest to oldest, and manual based on your own preferences. So how to do it? Well, if you are on a desktop, from your Shopify admin, go to products and channels, basically collections, click a collection. In the product section, click the drop down list beside sort, and then select a sort order. You can select manually, then you can click and drag the products in the list to reorder them as you wish for. And you can also click the selection one or more products in the list, click move to reorder them to a specific position in the collection, and just basically click save. If you're on the iPhone, go to Shopify app, go to products and collections, tap the collection you want to edit, press edit, tap sorting, select the sort order that you want the collection to use. If you select manual, then you can tap and drag the handles beside the product to reorder them. If you're on Android, go to app, products and collection, tap the collection, tap the pencil icon to edit the collection, go to sorting and select the sort order, and the steps are the same. So basically that's the entirety of the process, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.